Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I realized that it has been quite a minute since the last time I gave y'all an update on my financial journey. Um, a lot has just been going on in my life, like a bunch of personal things kept like happening, and I just got busy, and it made it hard to find time to make these videos. Also, I fell off a little bit, and I wasn't as consistent in the months of October and November of strictly using cash for everything. I was still using cash, but when that cash ran out, I would just use my debit card for stuff. And sometimes, even when I still had cash, like I would just use my debit card. Like it doesn't even make sense saying it out loud. But I just want to be real and let y'all know the truth that I have been slipping up for the last like 2 months. So that being said, October, it was my birthday month, and my birthday is towards the beginning of October. And my mom came and she like treated me for some stuff, and I just got like used to being splurged for that weekend. We went and got pedicures, and I got a manicure, and I discovered SNS nail polish. It's like a dip powder, and I've been getting that like consistently every month now. So that's like an extra expense. So I know, like I've just been living a wild and crazy life, but not really. Like in my mind, it's wild and crazy, but whatever. Yeah, I just haven't been following it as strictly, but I have got to get back on track because I turned 26. So in America, that means I can no longer be on my parents' health insurance, which means I have to get my own health insurance. I'm blessed to have a job that has benefits, so I can get it, but that means that my take home pay is now lower than what it used to be by like $160. And that will come into effect in December. So December starts in like 2 days. The day I'm recording this on November 29th. So yeah, December 1st is on Saturday. That's when this video should go up if everything goes as planned. But yeah, for the month of December, because I get paid monthly, just a reminder, the month of December is going to be pretty tough for me financially because it'll be the first month where I'll feel that hit of missing the money that's now being used for benefits, the $160 that is taken out of my check before I even see it. And also this month, I have to pay car insurance of $520. So there's a lot going on financially this month. For next month, December, I've realized that I'm not going to be able to afford Christmas presents for my family this year. It's different because before I was like, I'm just not going to get them Christmas presents because I'm on this like strict Dave Ramsey cash only rice and beans and rice financial journey. But now it's like, well, dang, like even if I wanted to, I couldn't get my family Christmas presents. So yeah, it's a different type of feeling versus I'm not doing it because I don't want to versus I'm not doing it because I can't. So but anyway, this video is not about December. This video is about how I did for November. And as I said, I slipped up. But let's just go into detail to really see. I will be getting $100 added to my account come tomorrow. So to complete the month of November, I'll have about $130 extra to put towards my car loan. And in other months, I've had a lot more than that. So yeah, I've just been buying stuff. So let's see. I work at a college, and sometimes I go to like the student union and buy my lunch from there, and it's called the Beehive. So today I spent $8.95 there. I went to Target yesterday and spent $19. It wasn't like a typical Target run. It was on like household supplies, so it's not like I was just getting stuff that I'm not gonna use. But anyway, what? Those are gas. Chick-fil-A, Wendy's. Let's see what else. Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, Cookout, Chick-fil-A, Cookout, Noodles and Company, Wendy's, the Beehive, Cookout, a poke bar. I don't know how you say that. It's like the Asian place for the noodles. That place kind of expensive. That was $12.85. Wendy's, Chick-fil-A. I went back to that bar, Cookout, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, Noodles and Company. This is all still November. It is Chick-fil-A, Biscuitville, Zaxby's, Chick-fil-A. It's all food. It's always food, which is ridiculous. But yeah, so left over from my bank account, I'm going to be able to put about 100, what did I say? 140 towards my car. Yeah, about 140. And if you've seen other videos, you know that whatever cash I have left, I'm going to put towards my sinking fund of my car insurance that has to be paid next month. So let's see. Out of restaurants, I have $2 left. Out of entertainment, I didn't do that much entertaining, so it should be a lot. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 37 left over from entertainment. That's pretty nice. It should actually be higher, but I wanted more food, so I used the entertainment money for food. Shopping. I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $31 left over from shopping. But again, it should be higher, but I wanted to eat more food, so I took money from the shopping budget and used it on food. Household only has $1 left. Groceries, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. 31 left over from groceries. That should be lower, but I didn't buy groceries for 1 week because I went home for Thanksgiving and I lived off of my parents' food. Yay for saving money. So, yeah. I should have counted that up, but maybe if I count it up when I'm editing the video, I'll put the total like somewhere beside me. But whatever that total is will go towards my sinking fund of paying off my car insurance, which is due next month. It's actually due the 26th of December, like the day after Christmas. Like, and I'm on like a 6-month, like I pay it every 6 months. So like it's always gonna be right after Christmas. And I'm just like, who can afford to pay that during the month of December? Like, if you ever buy a car, do not do it in June or December. If you're gonna do your car insurance every 6 months, do not buy your car in June or December because it's gonna hit you that, oh dang, I have to pay my car insurance this month, and oh, Christmas is this month too. Wow. Yeah. Or just don't buy your car in December, even if you pay it once a year. Can you pay it only once a year? I don't know. Anyway, the point is, think about that stuff because literally, like as long as I have that car, I'm always going to have to do my car insurance in December, I think. Well, I guess I could just move like 1 month. I could just change my car insurance. Anyway, December is going to be a hard month. But that's how I did for November. Oh, no, yeah. Yeah, because I don't have any other money that can go towards. I'm lying. I'm sorry. I forgot. I did a freelance thing and I have $200 that I can put towards my car loan. So that's 200 plus 140. So that's $340 extra that I can put towards a principal payment of my car loan for November. So that's a lot lower than any other month, but I'm still glad that I'm able to make progress. So that's total, that's almost $800 that's being put towards my car this month. So yay, that's good. Oh, another reason why it's so low, I had to get my car serviced this month. Had to get an oil change, get my tires rotated. Excuse me, I had to pay for that. So that was another reason why I spent so much money this month. But yeah, so as I said, this was a hard month. Well, not a hard month. I made it a hard month by eating out so much. Next month is going to be really hard, but I will keep you updated whether I am successful or not. But thank you for watching the video. Wish me luck on being successful. I hope if you're on a financial journey, I hope that you're doing well. Even if you've, messed up in the past, we all have. It's okay. We got this. We can get back on track and we're going to finish strong. We can do it. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.